Hey everyone, it's Golem Masood here. Who doesn't want to make more money, especially from anywhere in the world, on your own time? Today we're diving into the world of online income. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income stream, now is the best time to make it happen. The internet has opened up so many possibilities, and you don't need a ton of money to get started. We're going to explore 10 proven ways to start earning money online. Stick around. First up is freelancing, the most common and accessible way to make money online. Leverage any skill you have and turn it into a service. Writing, graphic design, web development, and more. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Build a strong portfolio, gain experience, and start increasing your rates as you attract higher-paying clients. If you've got a knack for creating engaging content, this could be your golden ticket. Think about what you're passionate about and knowledgeable in: finance, travel, cooking, gaming. Create a YouTube channel, start a blog, or grow your presence on social media platforms. Consistently produce high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. Are you good at explaining things? Online tutoring or teaching might be perfect for you. Platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, and Chegg make it easy to reach a global audience eager to learn. Teach anything from academic subjects to creative skills and earn a good income. E-commerce and dropshipping, selling without the inventory headache. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to set up your own online store. Sell your own products or go the dropshipping route where suppliers handle storage and shipping. Focus on marketing and selling and let suppliers take care of the rest. Stock market and investments, growing your wealth passively. Investing in the stock market is a common way to build long-term wealth. Apps like Robinhood, Zerodha, or eToro make market access easier than ever. Start investing in stocks, ETFs, or cryptocurrencies with just a few dollars. Affiliate marketing. Earning by recommending what you love. Promote products or services through unique affiliate links and earn a commission for every sale or lead. Partner with brands that align with your niche and that you genuinely believe in. Share your affiliate links on your blog, website, social media, or through email marketing. Selling digital products. Creating once, earning forever. Create digital products like ebooks, online courses, templates, software, and more. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website make selling digital creations simple. With no shipping costs or physical inventory, profit margins are incredibly high. As more businesses move online, the demand for skilled virtual assistants is skyrocketing. Virtual assistants provide administrative, technical, or creative support remotely. If you're organized, detail-oriented, and have excellent communication skills, this could be a great option. Websites like Belay, Time, etc., and Upwork are great places to find virtual assistant gigs. You're not going to get rich taking surveys or doing microtasks, but it can earn you extra cash. Sign up for websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Inbox Dollars to get paid for your opinions. Microtask websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker pay small fees for simple tasks. Remote work is a whole new way of working. With the rise of remote-first companies, more job opportunities are becoming location-independent. Job boards like We Work Remotely, Remote.co, and FlexJobs are gold mines for finding remote positions. Find full-time jobs with benefits that you can do from anywhere with a good internet connection. There you have it, 10 proven ways to start earning money online. Choose a path that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Success requires dedication and consistency. Keep learning and adapting. Good luck.